Hey there everyone, once again we're back. I'm with my advanced group. They are my students at Faridun 2 and they're 100% ready for The Seven Ages of Men by William Shakespeare.
The Seven Ages of Men by William Shakespeare.
All the world is a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts, his acts being seven aged. At first, the infant, mewling and puking in the nurse's arm.
As a running schoolboy with satchel and shining morning face like snail, unwilling way to school.
And then the lover sighed light furnace with a woeful ballad, made to his mistress Ivory.
Then a soldier full of strange oaths and bearded legs apart, jealous in honor, sudden and quaking quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation, even in the cannon's mouth.
And then the justice in fair round bellies, good cap and line, with acer and formal cap, full of wise no soul and full of vices and modern instances, and so he plays his part.
The sixth age shifts into the linen slippered pantaloon with spectacles on nose and punctured side, where his useful hose will say a word too wide for his strong shank and his big manly voice, and toward childish pipes and whistling in their voice.
Last sense of all that ends this strange eventful history is in second childishness and mere oblivion, sense teeth, sense eyes, sense taste, sense everything.
Семь ролей человека. Первое – младенчество, когда человек рождается, беспомощный на руках у своей няньки. Второе – школьник. Школьник нехотя идет в школу. Третье – человек влюбляется, грустно смотрит в окно и пишет грустные стихи. Четвертое, в основном для мужчин, человек становится солдатом, готовым отдать свою жизнь для своей родины. Пятое, человек умнеет и возмужает. Шестое, человек уже плохо слышит, плохо видит и не так хорошо стоит на своих ногах, как раньше. И седьмое, самое последнее, как второе младенчество. Человек без зуб не может, вообще не слышит, не видит и остается ни с чем.
هفت قسمی زندگی من وقتی که اول کودک تمام میشه و به دست مادر خود میفتد و بعد از این به دست همشیره نوه‌های میرسد. دوم قسم زندگی مرد اون میباشد که او مکتب بچه میشود و مکتب میرود ولی به خواست خونه هر صبح با گریه به مکتب میرود. سوم قسم زندگی او عاشق میشود. هر شب در نزد تریزه نگاه کرده سرودهای عاشقی مینویسد. چهارم قسم زندگی مرد او سرباز می شود و وطن خود سربازی کرده وطن خود را از دست دشمنان حفظ می نماید. پنجم قسم زندگی اینجا مرد کمی باعث می شود برای درست را حفظ می نماید. ششم قسم زندگی مرد اینجا کمی او دست و پایش با ورزه می آید عضوهایش خنک می شود یعنی حسی پیری می نماید. و هفتم قسم زندگی مرد او تماما پیر می شود یعنی چشمهایش نابینا می شود دندانهایش می ریزد مزه جامعه از یادش می رود یا که هماست.
Good evening everybody, my name is Furuk and I'm 11 years old and I'm studying in Fardun 2 Learning Center and I want you to study here.
First of all, I want to start myself. My name is Bezot. I study Infancy Center 2 years, and I won't confuse you that when I come, I don't know, and my teacher helped me, and now I'm advanced level.
Hi to everyone, my name is Mohammed, my surname Nazarov. When I came to Fardun, I don't know English, but by my dear teacher Miss Hannah, now I know English perfect, and I invite you to study with us.
Hi, my name is Jacques and I invite you to our learning center to study here with our teacher Miss Hannah and to be like us.
Hi guys, my name is Najmuddin Farouk and I'm learning in advanced level, and that's all.
First of all, let's introduce myself. My name is Marjana. I'm 12 years old and I'm at 6th class. I'm learning English at Further Learning Center too. And now I feel so good that I know English language so good, and we invite you to study with us.
Hi again, everyone. Once again, this is Hannah. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. That's gonna be Teacher, Teacher, Hannah, Hannah, Dacara, Dacara. And my Facebook would be Hannah May, HAN space NAH space MAE. And my Instagram would be Teacher Hannah John. That's all for now. Have a great evening. Bye.